Humor mill comedies, honestly, possibly the most prominent urban doctrine, providing comedians an outlet. Ears to the street, aware we joke heavily, laughing so hard, we drink to preserve energy. Read the articles, bulletin, blogs, and emails. Hit up the MySpace, see us for more. Entertaining digital magazine, distributing the newest and readily available information for you. It's more than a newsletter. Now it's a mixtape, auditory visuals for hot live interviews. Subscribe to each issue, listen to the podcast, log in, hop in the internet, watch pit, behind the scenes tips.
I'm Kimberly Russell with Humor Mill TV, and I'm here with Mr. Will Packer.
What's happening?
How you doing?
I'm good, Mama. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for staying and talking to me.
Thanks for talking to me.
So you can give us a little bit about Takers. I heard there was a little something going on.
No, can't get you nothing about Takers. What else you want to talk about?
Oh my goodness, that's one of my favorites.
You liked it?
I loved it.
Really?
At least how
What
does
was
it feel
your
to
favorite
have
scene?
that under your belt?
What was your favorite scene in the movie?
Okay, I'm not going to tell you that. It was one of my favorites. So I love T.I., so it's one of my favorites.
Chip did his thing. Well, you know, it was a good movie. It was a good look for us, and it was my first action joint. You know what I mean? So, yeah.
You got a lot of great movies under your belt. Obsessed.
Yeah, yeah.
Christmas.
Yes. Stomp the Yard. A lot of support, a lot of love.
I'm not going to hold you long, but any other future projects that you can share?
Yeah, well, you know, I'm here because my man Gary Owen performed tonight. I got a new movie that I'm doing over at Screen Gems at Sony.
Okay.
It's called Think Like a Man. It's based on Steve Harvey's book. We're shooting that in July, and it dropped April 2012, Easter weekend, so we're excited.
Well, I'm glad.
Great cast. We got Kevin Hart, we got Romney Malco, Jerry Ferrara, Michael Ealy, Taraji Henson, Regina Hall, Megan Good, Terrence J. You know, it's just big exciting. Gabrielle Union, can't forget Gab.
That's great. How do you feel about taking that book to a film? I mean,
you know, it's always tough when you're doing an adaptation. You got to do it right. You got to do it justice. Because you have a lot of people out there that already know the property, and you know that are expecting a certain delivery. So we got to execute, you know. But I'm not afraid. I'm up for the challenge. I got a good team. My man Tim Story is directing, and it's really my first comedy, you know.
Wow.
So I'm excited.
Well, I'm excited too. When can we expect this?
April 2012, Easter weekend. That's when it drops. Yeah.
You heard it here, Humor Mill TV, April, Easter weekend. This is Kimberly Russell, Will Packer.
That's right.
Thank you.
Thank you, baby.
Humor mill comedies, honestly, possibly the most prominent urban doctrine, providing comedians an outlet. Ears to the street, aware we joke heavily, laughing so hard, we drink to preserve energy. Read the articles, bulletin, blogs, and emails. Hit up the MySpace, see us for more. Entertaining digital magazine.